Hello foodies! Welcome to Namaste Kitchen. Let's make some mouth-watering food together. Today, we are making different types of chutneys. Please like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.
Add the almonds, coriander, chilies, and salt into the blender. Blend until smooth, then transfer the fresh almond chutney into a serving bowl. Start by adding your pomegranate seeds, coriander, and green chilies. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Now we blend. To make this chutney, add sesame seeds, washed coriander leaves, and green chilies to a blender. Squeeze in some lemon juice and salt. Start by adding fresh grated coconut to the blender. Next, add some mint leaves, green chilies, a little salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Blend until smooth. Start by adding the dates, tamarind pulp, and spices to the blender. Blend until smooth, then pour the chutney into a serving bowl. Add the washed curry leaves, ginger, and green chilies. Squeeze in some lemon juice and salt. Blend until smooth and it's ready. Add the onion, chilies, and ginger. Next, squeeze in the lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Secure the lid and blend until coarse. Take little tamarind in 1 glass bowl, add crushed garlics, add chopped green chili and coriander leaves, add salt and water and do mash in hand. Start by adding the jamun pieces into the blender, followed by the salt, cumin, ginger, and green chilies. Squeeze in some lemon juice and blend until coarse.